Question 1. Which is the richest sport in the world by revenue? Your options are A. Cricket, B. Soccer, football, C. Formula 1, D. Basketball. The correct answer is soccer, football. Soccer, or association football, is the richest sport globally, generating over $600 billion in annual revenue. With 3.5 billion fans worldwide, it commands the biggest club transfers, broadcasting deals, and sponsorships on the planet. Question 2. How many players are on a field hockey team during a match? Your options are A. 9 players, B. 10 players, C. 11 players, D. 12 players. The correct answer is 11 players. A standard field hockey team has 11 players on the pitch at a time, including a goalkeeper. It's one of the world's oldest team sports, played at the Olympics since 1908, and requires a blend of speed, skill, and strategy. Question 3. What is the most watched sport in the world? Your options are A. Cricket, B. Basketball, C. Tennis, D. Soccer, football. The correct answer is soccer, football. Soccer claims the title of most watched sport globally with an estimated 3.5 billion viewers. The FIFA World Cup alone draws over 5 billion cumulative viewers, making it the single biggest sporting event on Earth. Question 4. How many rings are on the Olympic flag, and what do they represent? Your options are A. 4 rings, continents, B. 5 rings, continents, C. 6 rings, sports, D. 5 rings, founding nations. The correct answer is 5 rings, 5 continents. The 5 Olympic rings, designed by Pierre de Coubertin in 1912, represent the 5 continents of the world: Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and Oceania. Every national flag in the world contains at least one of the ring's colors. Question 5. Who holds the record for the most Grand Slam tennis titles, men's? Your options are A. Rafael Nadal, B. Roger Federer, C. Novak Djokovic, D. Pete Sampras. The correct answer is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic holds the men's record with 24 Grand Slam singles titles, surpassing Federer and Nadal. The Serbian champion has won all 4 major tournaments: Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, US Open, in his illustrious career. Question 6. How many players does a basketball team field on the court at once? Your options are A. 4 players, B. 5 players, C. 6 players, D. 7 players. The correct answer is 5 players. Each basketball team places exactly 5 players on the court simultaneously. Positions include point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, and center. The NBA, founded in 1946, is the world's premier basketball league. Question 7. In which city were the first modern Olympic Games held in 1896? Your options are A. Paris, B. London, C. Athens, D. Rome. The correct answer is Athens, Greece. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in April 1896. Organized by Baron Pierre de Coubertin, 241 athletes from 14 nations competed in 43 events. Greece hosted the Games as a nod to the ancient Olympic tradition that began there in 776 BC. Question 8. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? Your options are A. Germany, B. Argentina, C. France, D. Brazil. The correct answer is Brazil. 5 titles. Brazil is the most successful nation in World Cup history with 5 titles: 1958, 1962, 1970, 1994, 2002. They are also the only team to have participated in every single FIFA World Cup tournament since its inception in 1930. Question 9. How many players are on a cricket team? Your options are A. 9 players, B. 10 players, C. 11 players, D. 12 players. The correct answer is 11 players. A cricket team consists of 11 players per side. The sport originated in England and is massively popular across South Asia, Australia, the Caribbean, and England. Test cricket, the oldest format, can last up to 5 days per match. Question 10. Who holds the record for the most Formula One World Championship titles? Your options are A. Ayrton Senna, B. Michael Schumacher, C. Lewis Hamilton, D. Sebastian Vettel. The correct answer is Lewis Hamilton. 7 titles. Lewis Hamilton holds the joint record of 7 Formula One World Drivers' Championship titles, tied with Michael Schumacher. The British driver is also the all-time leader in race wins with over 100 victories, making him the most successful F1 driver ever. Question 11. Who is considered the greatest Olympic swimmer of all time? Your options are A. Ian Thorpe, B. Mark Spitz, C. Michael Phelps, D. Ryan Lochte. The correct answer is Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps is the most decorated Olympian in history with 23 gold medals and 28 total Olympic medals. The American swimmer competed in 4 Olympic Games, 2000, 2016, and dominated multiple swimming events including the butterfly and individual medley. Question 12. Which NBA team has won the most championships? Your options are A. Chicago Bulls, B. Golden State Warriors, C. Los Angeles Lakers, D. Boston Celtics. The correct answer is Boston Celtics. 18 titles. The Boston Celtics hold the NBA record with 18 championships. Founded in 1946, the Celtics dominated the league in the late 1950s and 60s under coach Red Auerbach, winning 11 titles in 13 years. Their greatest player, Bill Russell, won 11 rings as a player. Question 13. Which sport was Muhammad Ali famous for? Your options are A. Wrestling, B. Judo, C. Boxing, D. Kickboxing. The correct answer is boxing. Muhammad Ali, born Cassius Clay, is widely regarded as the greatest boxer of all time. He was the 3-time world heavyweight champion and won Olympic gold in 1960. Known for his speed, footwork, and the phrase, "float like a butterfly, sting like a bee." Question 14. Which golfer has won the most major championships? Your options are A. Phil Mickelson, B. Jack Nicklaus, C. Tiger Woods, D. Arnold Palmer. The correct answer is Jack Nicklaus. 18 majors. Jack Nicklaus, nicknamed the Golden Bear, holds the record of 18 major championship titles. The American legend won 6 Masters, 5 PGA Championships, 4 US Opens, and 3 British Opens across a remarkable career spanning over 2 decades. Question 15. How many players make up a volleyball team on court? Your options are A. 5 players, B. 6 players, C. 7 players, D. 8 players. The correct answer is 6 players. A volleyball team fields 6 players on the court at a time, 3 in the front row and 3 in the back row. The sport was invented in 1895 by William Morgan in Massachusetts and has been an Olympic sport since the 1964 Tokyo Games. Question 16. Who is the fastest human ever recorded in the 100 meters sprint? Your options are A. Carl Lewis, B. Justin Gatlin, C. Usain Bolt, D. Tyson Gay. The correct answer is Usain Bolt 9.58 s. Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt set the world record of 9.58 seconds in the 100 meters at the 2009 Berlin World Championships. He is an 8-time Olympic gold medalist and the first man to hold both the 100 meters and 200 meters world records simultaneously. Question 17. Which Grand Slam tournament is played on clay courts? Your options are A. Wimbledon, B. US Open, C. Australian Open, D. French Open. The correct answer is French Open, Roland Garros. The French Open, held at Roland Garros in Paris, is the only Grand Slam played on red clay courts. It takes place in late May and early June. Rafael Nadal is the tournament's greatest champion, having won it a record 14 times, earning him the nickname, King of Clay. Question 18. How long is an American NFL football field including end zones? Your options are A. 100 yards, B. 110 yards, C. 120 yards, D. 130 yards. The correct answer is 120 yards, including end zones. An NFL football field is 120 yards long, 100 yards of playing field plus two 10-yard end zones at each end. It is 53.3 yards wide. The Super Bowl, played annually, is the most watched single sporting event in the United States. Question 19. Which sprinter has won the most Olympic gold medals in track and field? Your options are A. Carl Lewis, B. Usain Bolt, C. Jesse Owens, D. Michael Johnson. The correct answer is Carl Lewis. 9 gold medals. Carl Lewis won 9 Olympic gold medals and 1 silver in track and field across 4 Olympic Games, 1984-1996. Known as the King of Athletics, he dominated the 100 meters, 200 meters, 4 times 100 meters relay, and long jump, winning the 100 meters title 4 consecutive times. Question 20. How many balls does a pitcher throw before a batter walks in baseball? Your options are A. 3 balls, B. 4 balls, C. 5 balls, D. 6 balls. The correct answer is 4 balls. In baseball, a batter is awarded first base, a walk, or base on balls, when the pitcher throws 4 balls outside the strike zone. The batter gets 3 strikes before striking out. This strike zone rule has been in place since the formal establishment of baseball rules in the 1840s. Question 21. What is the length of an Olympic standard swimming pool? Your options are A. 25 meters, B. 50 meters, C. 100 meters, D. 75 meters. The correct answer is 50 meters. An Olympic swimming pool is exactly 50 meters long and 25 meters wide, with a minimum depth of 2 meters. It contains 10 lanes, each 2.5 meters wide. The first Olympic swimming events were held in open water at the 1896 Athens Games before purpose-built pools became standard. Question 22. How many players are in a rugby union team? Your options are A. 13 players, B. 14 players, C. 15 players, D. 16 players. The correct answer is 15 players. Rugby union fields 15 players per team. The sport originated at Rugby School in England in 1823 and has two main forms, Rugby Union, 15A side, and Rugby League, 13A side. The Rugby World Cup, first held in 1987, is the sport's premier international competition. Question 23. How many players per team are on the ice in hockey, excluding goalie? Your options are A. 4 skaters, B. 5 skaters, C. 6 skaters, D. 3 skaters. The correct answer is 5 skaters plus 1 goalie. In ice hockey, each team has 6 players on the ice, 5 skaters, 2 defensemen, 3 forwards, plus 1 goaltender. The sport is most popular in Canada, USA, Russia, and Scandinavia. The NHL, founded in 1917, is the world's premier professional ice hockey league. Question 24. How long is a standard professional soccer match? Your options are A. 80 minutes, B. 90 minutes, C. 100 minutes, D. 120 minutes. The correct answer is 90 minutes, 245-minute halves. A standard soccer match consists of two 45-minute halves, totaling 90 minutes of regular play, plus stoppage time added by the referee. Extra time, 2 15-minute periods, and penalty shootouts are used in knockout competitions to determine a winner. Question 25. Which country has won the most Cricket World Cup titles? Your options are A. India, B. Pakistan, C. Australia, D. West Indies. The correct answer is Australia. 6 titles. Australia holds the record for the most Cricket World Cup wins, claiming 6 titles in the 50-over format. They dominated the 1999, 2003, and 2007 tournaments, winning 3 consecutive times. Australia has long been regarded as the powerhouse of world cricket. Question 26. Which race is known as the most prestigious cycling event in the world? Your options are A. Giro d'Italia, B. Vuelta a España, C. Tour de France, D. Paris-Roubaix. The correct answer is Tour de France. The Tour de France, first held in 1903, is the world's most prestigious and challenging cycling race. It spans approximately 3,400 kilometers over 21 stages across France, attracting over 12 million roadside spectators annually. The winner dons the iconic yellow jersey. Question 27. Where were the 2016 Summer Olympic Games held? Your options are A. Tokyo, Japan, B. London, UK, C. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, D. Beijing, China. The correct answer is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The 2016 Summer Olympics were held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, the first games held in South America. Michael Phelps retired after winning more medals. Usain Bolt completed the triple-triple in sprinting, and 11,238 athletes from 206 nations competed across 306 events. Question 28. How many rounds are in a professional world championship boxing match? Your options are A. 10 rounds, B. 12 rounds, C. 15 rounds, D. 8 rounds. The correct answer is 12 rounds. Professional World Championship boxing matches consist of 12 rounds, each lasting 3 minutes, with a 1-minute rest between rounds. Prior to 1982, title fights were 15 rounds. The change was made following the tragic death of Duk Koo Kim after a 14th round knockout. Question 29. Which country has historically dominated Olympic gymnastics? Your options are A. Japan, B. China, C. USA, D. Soviet Union, Russia. The correct answer is Soviet Union, Russia. The Soviet Union dominated Olympic gymnastics for decades, winning over 200 medals. Russia continued this legacy after 1991. Legendary gymnasts like Larissa Latyanina, 18 Olympic medals, Nadia Kamenki, first perfect 10, and Alexei Nemov emerged from this tradition. Question 30. What is a hat-trick in soccer? Your options are A. 3 yellow cards, B. 3 assists in one game, C. 3 goals by one player in one match, D. 3 saves by a goalkeeper. The correct answer is 3 goals in one match. A hat-trick in soccer means one player scores 3 goals in a single match. The term originated in cricket in the 1800s. Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi hold the record for the most hat-tricks in football history, with over 60 each in their careers. Congratulations! You've completed the ultimate sports quiz with 30 questions. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing quiz videos.